Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own ICO DApp for your Solana SPL token. So let's start then. So first you will receive this link on the description, so you need to visit on this page, and then all you need to do is to copy the code from here. You can direct download, or you can copy the link for clone this repository. So I will use this link. So after that we need to go to our uh, Visual Studio. This is my favorite editing software, so I will use it, and I have created a folder called ICO. So first you need to create a folder on your system. After that you need to open the folder by clicking here, and then you will be there. So after that what we will do, we will use git to clone our repo. Git clone and then paste the link, and then we enter, so it will clone the repository. You can see. So now you can see that we have cloned successfully. This is the folder. So we'll go inside this folder, cd to this folder. So we are there. So let's see there this folder there. So first let's start. First of all, we need to install our dependency. You can see here we have a lots of dependencies, so we need to install them one by npm I. If you use npm package, after that it will install all requirement. So let's wait to install them. This is the main page where I have coded all the DApp. It's a single page here. So let's install it, and then we will see. Okay, so it's done. You can see. So I'm clear. Let's start the React app. So it will misspell it. So you can see the page is loading. It's compiling. Here is the interface. So I make it very simple. There is a button to connect with the network, and here is the select. You can I gave two options for buying using a Solana token, and we can use also USDT token on Ethereum blockchain. This one. So first let's go to the app. So we need to provide two things. One is the recipient address. This will receive the Solana network, and this one is the ICO contact address. So first we need to write the contract, ICO contract. So let's write a contract. So I already create a contract and deployed and then connected. So I will show how you can write it, and then you can replace this address to your address. So first we will do the contract, and then we understand what we need to change. These three things we need to change when you go for the main net. This one also need to change the Solana RPC URL to mainnet. This on development network. So let's go to the remix first. So we'll go on remix ethereum.org. So here we will write a contract with a single function buy only. So let's write the contract here. So ICO contract. So here we will first write the SPDX license identifier MIT, and after that we will enter the Solidity compiler version. So we will use the latest compiler. Then we will write the contract. So contract. So my ICO. So we will make it as honorable. So we'll enter here. Let's. So what I will do. Let's import a file here. The honorable file. Import. We import the honorable file. Let's. So you can find the honorable files easily from the GitHub. I will show you how you can download. Let me first upload it. So here I have honorable. We also need a context. So this two I uploaded here. So we can import this honorable. Just copy the name of the file, and then we will paste it here. Sold. And if you say it's honorable is honorable, then it's ready. Then we can write the function here. So first let's how you can download the honorable and context file. All you need to do is to go to just paste honorable and then honorable.sol from OpenJPN. So from the OpenJPN you will see the GitHub link. So here you can copy the contract honorable.sol contract. Then what you need to do, you need to download the console context.sol as well. So context.sol is inside the util. So if we go on, there will be a util here. So inside this, the contact name is context. So it will be the context. So let's find search it on Google, so it will be easier. Context.sol from, so here is the context.sol. So you need to download it from here, and then you can download here the context file. This one. So once you download this too, you can then upload here. After that, what we will do, we will write the function name. So let's write function. So we will name it by, and then we will input one argument. We'll give two arguments. So one will be the string memory, solo address. So it will be the Solana address of the users who deposit the token. So after that, we give one more argument, which will be the number in 256 amount. So the amount that users are entering. After that, we will say it public, so anyone can call this function. Then we will enter the logic transfer token. So we also need one more file, which will be erc20.sol. Okay, .sol. So we can find it on OpenJavelin. So here you can see this is the ERC20. So inside the ERC20 we need IERC20.sol. So this is not the ERC20 actual. This one have the IERC20 metadata.sol, so we don't need it. Okay, so I will upload on my GitHub. So let's see. I will give this link so you can easily download. From here, if you search here, you can see ERC20 token. So all you need to do is to download this whole file. Okay, so you can download by clicking here, and then you will find get the ownable context file and the ERC20.so. So after that, you can upload one by one without searching it. So let's upload it. So you can see I have the IRC20 and ERC20. So these two I need to download and upload. So here you can see that we have the file. Now we can import the is not ERC20. So it's ERC20 and IRC20. So here is the ERC20. So we will import this Yeah. So import also. So we imported ERC20, so we can use the USDT. So we also need to uh, we also need to add here the address of the USDT. So USDT token, we'll name it USDT token equal to the address of the USDT token. So for testing purpose, I have deployed a token like USDT. So this is the USDT address that I have deployed. So I will give it here. If you want to deploy it on mainnet, then you need to uh, find the mainnet ERC20. So you can go on Etherscan and then you can find the USDT address, contact address. So you need to replace it. After that, what we will do, we will use the ERC20. So ERC20, first we will transfer the token and that to this contract. Like you can transfer it to your own address, like here. If we give it like this way, address public, you can name it theme address equal to the address of your. So I will give it this address for now. So if I give it this address here, after that what we will do, we'll call the transfer from function from the users. So let's go to here and take the transfer from. Here is the transfer from. So we'll call this one. First we need to mention which token. So this will be USDT token, and then the transfer from, and transfer from have three argument. If you see here, the sender, recipient address, and the amount. So here we will enter the sender address. So the sender address will be the image.sender, and then the address where the token will go will be the team address. You can hold and this token on this contract as well. After that, what we will do, we will give here one more argument, what will be the amount. So the amount will be there. So it's done. Okay, so there was a problem, not found safe map. Okay, so the ERC20 needs a safe method. I need to upload the safe method as well. So this all will be the on the ERC20 token file. So after that, not found. Okay, so I need to import safe method is not found. Recompile function by string ammunition. So we have not used Solana Sol address. So what we will do, we will make a mapping to store the Solana address users and the amount, so we can later on check how much an address like users deposit. So we will later on we can transfer the token. So here we will mapping, we'll map addresses. So if we so what we need a structure structure to let's name it info and add here some details like the Solana address and the amount. So let's make a string sol sol address and the amount. After that, we will uh, say address, and then we get info. So by using the address, we can find info, then public. It will be the info, so small letter info. So here it is. So you'll store information using this. So after depot transferring the token, we will add this to information. So using this info from mapping info, then we give the address or soul address, and then we give this one equal to be the soul address, and copy this line and then paste, and here we will change the soul address to soul amount, and here we will give amount. So it's done. Type string memory is not text will type address. Okay, sorry. So it will be string, because the soul address will be in string, not a Ethereum address. So that's why. So we can now save the address and the amount, and also we can transfer the ERC20 token. So we can give a requirement here. So require the condition will be the, let's say, ERC20 USGT token. Sorry, ERC20 USGT token dot is this. Okay, let's ERC20. Then we give the token USDT token and dot. We'll check and the sender have enough allowance. Okay, so by calling this allowance, allowance to the MSG, MSG dot sender to address this. So this must be more or equal to the amount that he want to transfer. Here is the amount. So it's need to meet this, otherwise it will throw. So here we will write a error message. So let's give error message. So ICO. So we will give the same error message. Allowance for amount. So we can understand and that what is the reason through that transaction. After that, we will copy this and then we will enter one more. We will see check one more things that the sender msg.sender have this balance. So we will remove this one and we give it balance of msg.sender equal or more than the amount. So we'll mention here low balance. So after that it's ready. So and now you can deploy it and then uh, connect with replace this ICO contact address. And this address will be the your wallet address where you want to raise your Sol address, receive Solana address, and you need to change this one to the actual USDT address. So after that, after updating this three, you need to update the RPC. If you want to collect on mainnet, then you can replace this to the mainnet. Once you done this all, then you need to go to the DApp and we will check now on that everything is working or not. Okay, so let's select first USDT and then we will connect. So you need a wallet extension. I have Phantom, so you need to download it and then it's I pay from this address. Okay. One more thing, we need to update and token address as well. So we don't need to give the address of the token that you are selling here because this address don't need here. So now what we will do, we will copy the address where we want to receive the token, and we will give it here, and then we enter the amount like 100 amount. First we need to approve. So when we approve, it's need to this way. So after approval, we can buy. Let's confirm the transaction. Now I can buy in buy token. Here you can see I'm sending one token. I'm testing on test network, Cephalonia testnet. You can see the transaction was confirmed. Now I need to check this address whether I received the token or not. So it's not yet come here. I need to wait some time, confirm and update here. So here you can see I received 1250. So I gave the token price 0.001, I think 01 or 001 something. So per one token I will receive 12.5, I think 1250 token I receive. This is the token. So after that we disconnect and then using Solana address. So let's see. So I have Solana. So let's use this Solana. First we need to choose Solana, then need to connect. So I need to connect with my wallet, and then I will enter the amount of Solana that I want to invest. Buy token. Here you can see I'm sending 0.01 Sol, and I need to wait. Here's the transaction. You can see on the network that I have transferred. This is the transaction details. So I was 1250 token on the address. So let's see how much I received from this transaction. I'm waiting. Xerox AI Panther. Still not updated. Let's wait some time. Okay, so you can see I received some token. I was 1250 and I received I think 18.2 something. According to the price it will send. So there this is the DApp, so you can design it what you want. Uh, I hope you guys like this video. If you want to know more about the project, how you can create the token and other things, let me know in comments. Have a nice day.